Good day and welcome to today's construction class. Today we consider the problem as displayed on the screen. My name is Oluwatunde Blessing Olalekun, the founder of Maeklltech. Okay, the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come to my circle right here, picking my circle with diameter. Okay, I'm going to draw a circle of diameter 26. Enter. Alright, picking my circle once again. I'm drawing a circle of diameter 52. Enter. Those circles are concentric to each other. Pigment. They are concentric circles. Alright, they are concentric circles. Okay, so I'm going to actually pick a line like this from the midpoint of this circle. Okay, yeah, I'm going to draw this line downward at a distance of 85. Enter. Alright, 85. Enter. Then that is it. So I'm going to pick my circle. Okay, at this end of this line of 85, I'm drawing a circle of diameter 16. Enter. Then a circle of diameter 26. Enter. Alright, after doing that, okay, okay, I'm going to draw a line from the bottom like this, from this midpoint horizontally at the mark of 80. Enter. Escape. So I'm going to pick. Okay, so this line is length of 80. So I'm going to pick offset. Offset at the mark of what? 40. Enter. And I'm going to offset this line from this bottom towards the top like this. Take note of that. Alright. So I don't need this. I'm going to take this out. Delete. Okay, picking my circle with diameter. Okay, standing right at this junction at the end of that line here. Circle of diameter 84. Enter. Alright, so after doing that, I'm drawing another circle of diameter 60. Enter. And I'm drawing another circle of diameter 26. Enter. So after doing that, I'm drawing a circle of diameter 10 on this area. Diameter 10. Enter. So I'm going to use my array. I'm going to use polar array. I'm going to pick this circle. Enter. And what? This midpoint. So item right here at the top. I'm going to change that item to 332. That's 8. Then what? Tab. After writing it, I click tab and what? Close array. So take note of that. Alright. So I'm going to change this to something like this. Okay. That is that. Okay. So I can actually match the properties here. This to this end, this here, and what? Enter. So after doing that, what's the next procedure? I'm going to pick my line. So standing anywhere on this area, coming down here, I'm going to ensure I have the tangential constraint using tangent, and I click escape. So for this area, I'm not sure whether it is tangential, so I'm going to edit this area. I'm going to adjust this line. So until I'm having a tangent, then I click. So it is balanced as it is right here. Okay, it is balanced. So I'm going to do the same thing at the bottom here. So just standing anywhere here like this. I draw a line. I must ensure I have the tangential constraints, tangents. So I have what? Tangent. I click. I escape. So right here, I'm going to ensure I adjust this till I have what? The tangent also take with. The tangent is shown, and I click, and I escape. So that is that about that over there. Now, so the arc I'm having here is actually an external arc and an arc of radius 42 arc. So clicking right here, I pick tan radius. I pick this area of my circle. Then I enter input 42. Inputting 42, then I click enter. So hope you see that. So I click tan radius again. I pick this area. Then I input 96. Then what? Enter. So I'm going to use my trim command. I'm going to cut this, zoom this out. I'm going to trim this area slightly. I'm going to trim this area slightly. I think that is that for this. Alright. So I'm going to use my extrude. I'm going to use it on this. And what? That's that. So I'm going to click on this. Okay. Increase the texture to 30. I'm going to do on match properties. this, 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 this. I'm margin it. Okay. Like this and like this and this. Okay, so that is the evolution of the object as displayed on the screen. My name remains Oluwatunde Blessing Olalekan, the founder of Maeklltech. Kindly ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and also refer it to your friends who might be in need of it. So before I proceed, before I leave, I'm going to trim this away and this away. So that is it. That is it. Thank you.